Welcome to another episode of Between Two Trucks. I'm your host with the most, Barney the Roofing Guy. I have a special guy here today. Had to bring him on, been coaxing him for a couple months now to come on my show. You know, whined, kicked and scratched it. I don't want to. A good friend, my boss, Chris the Fish West. How are you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good, Barney. How are you?
Good, good.
It's good to be here.
Thanks. Oh, let me be we got to do the old distance thing again. Yeah. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
So, I've been asking you this for months now. What is your title now? Is it Big Kahuna, bowling pin? I'm sorry, Kingpin? You know, we've had some changes in our organization, and, you know, I'm still waiting for, you know, what do I call you?
Teammate, co-worker. You know, I've told you.
Slave driver?
I've told you 100 times if I told you once. We're a team. We work together. You know, you're only as good as the people that you surround yourself with. And I consider myself going to battle with you and everybody else in the office every day.
Well, how come you treat me like the water boy then?
That's neither here nor there, but
you know,
you
don't let me play one inning.
Every team needs a water boy.
You don't let me play one quarter.
Everybody needs a water boy.
Barney, you're the water boy. Well, thanks. All right, I got a couple questions for you pertaining to what we do as salesmen. I'm a water boy, but you're a salesman. One thing I've heard that you're not a big fan of the camera, but you've been doing a lot of videos lately. You feeling okay right now?
I'm perfect. I'm fine.
You know, if you feel you got to get up and go take a break, let me know.
I'm okay right now. I'll let you know, though.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Your voice is cracking a little bit. I'm worried about you.
I'm good.
Now, you see I support my president. Are you president? You never said.
I am the president of West Roofing Systems.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't vote for you, but congratulations. But
recount,
I'll support you.
Recount.
Yeah, let's not go there. We're all hurting right now.
Yeah, we're good. I do like the shirt.
So, question is, a lot of people don't know out there, my viewers, why is our company called West Roofing? Did it from you? Named after you? Just popped up one day?
No.
We're from the West?
There's definitely a story there. So Dick West, my uncle, founded the company in 1980, and it was started out as West Insulation Systems. And then over time, they got to doing more roofing than insulation, and switched the name to West Roofing Systems. And you know, after 35 years of doing business as West Roofing, there's really no need to change that name. It would actually be bad to change that name because that's the history of the company. You know, that's part of the identity of who we are and what we do. Our customers know us as West Roofing. You know, so definitely a namesake. And you know, when we purchased the company from Dick, it just made sense. You know, there was no other option. Keep it.
Okay.
You asked.
So, basically, I couldn't call it Barney the Roofing Guy Company.
Not today.
Why not?
It's not Barney the Roofing Guy Company.
Yeah, I just thought I'd try.
You could probably say that Barney the Roofing Guy is part of the West Roofing team.
Or the water boy, one of the two.
Whatever, yeah. It's not that bad, buddy.
Killing me. You're killing me. Let me ask you this. When I try to sell a roof maintenance after a job is completed, it's always very hard to make a customer realize how important maintenance is to their roof. Explain that a little bit and tell me how you deal with a customer when they're saying, hey, why do I need a maintenance contract? And you know, we all know it's like a new car. You're going to put tires on it after 30,000 miles. You're going to change the oil. But it's really hard to kind of convince a customer saying, hey, maintenance is very important. Can you explain that and
Sure.
not drag it on for 17 minutes?
Roofs are typically a large investment, and they're on the top of your building. So, typically a flat roof, out of sight, out of mind. Some things can be going on that roof that you're not aware of. And if you don't have maintenance done, either by your own people or by a professional roofer, you're not able to see what's going on that roof. Drains might be plugged, gutters might be filled with leaves and debris. Wind-blown debris may have damaged a roof area. That could get worse over time. So, by hiring a professional roofer, they are trained on being on a rooftop, safety, what to look for, versus having a maintenance guy who doesn't typically get on a roof. So you're protecting your investment.
Okay. Still not convinced with that answer, but okay, I'll go with it. Explain to our viewers how our warranties work. We have options. What are a couple of the options that we offer out there besides, we've got the manufacturers and the contractors. Explain that a little bit to my viewers.
So we've got we typically start with a 10-year contractor's warranty. We offer 15-year and 20-year contractor warranties. Those are warranted by us as the roofer. And we also offer options with manufacturer 10, 15, and 20, and those are all based on which system you're going with. Is it foam and coatings? Is it coatings over single ply? But 10, 15, and 20 year are the three main warranty options available. The difference between the 10, 15, and 20 is typically the amount of coating that goes down over the roof. Coating will wear away over time, so the more coating you put over the roof, the longer it takes for it to wear away to a point where it needs to be recoated.
Yeah, Kenny was right, man. You do talk a lot. So, if I was an owner of a commercial building like Kenny, why would I consider a roof from you, Chris West?
Well, that's the answer.
The man, the legend.
The answer is obvious. I've got Barney the Roofing Guy on my team.
The one you put at the water boy. So that don't make a bit of sense at all.
That's not the answer you're looking for, right?
Glad I got my boots on.
Can you repeat the question? Why would a building owner choose West Roofing to put a roof on their building?
You're West Roofing.
Well, I mean, we're leaders in the industry. We're very good at what we do, and that is installing spray foam and coatings. The history of installing these roofs properly, taking care of them, we've got a track record of the roofs that we install being able to be renewed and recoated at the end of the warranty. I mean, so history, happy customers. We've got a handful of really good references that can justify or testify the performance of the roofs that we install. We service our roofs. I mean, all around we're a full service roofing contractor, and we take pride in taking care of our customers.
You done?
I'm done.
All right. I heard that one advantage of spray foam roof is a minimal amount of tear off. Why is that?
Well, first of all,
is that a tough question for you?
It's not a tough question, but there's different parts to the answer to that question. You can only have one roof on any given.
It was just one question. Why is there different parts to the question?
Ask me the question again.
I've heard that one advantage of spray foam roof is a minimal amount of tear off. Here, I'll skip that one. That's too rough for you. What's the difference between polyurethane foam and EPDM? Because we come up with that every day selling that, a lot of our competitors have the EPDMs and the TPOs. What do you sell, saying I'm the customer, what are you going to sell me on spray polyurethane foam if I'm looking at an EPDM roof? What's going to make you better than anybody else?
So foam is spray applied to this properly prepared substrate. It's fully adhered, it's seamless, it's monolithic, and there's no fastening of the roof down. If any fastening would happen to the substrate. EPDM or TPO, any single ply, is a sheet membrane that needs to be adhered or fastened to the substrate. So you've got fasteners. Every time a fastener goes through a board, it creates a thermal loss. Whereas with foam.
No, wait a minute. I'm a busy guy, and you just go and go and go. I think you need to shorten that up a little bit. Because it's hard to get time with a customer.
Agreed.
Like our pal Kenny here, man, he goes. That guy's got more things to do and got to do something. I'd have got up and walked out. I gotta go. I got a meeting.
You asked me a question. I tried to answer it, and you cut me off.
Well, I didn't know you were going to take
Can't wait for the next episode.
My shows are only so long, and you're just
Yeah.
winded. So on another note, I always bring a couple things to spruce up the show. I mean, since we're low budget, they don't give me nothing to work with or a budget. I come across a few things, I just want to let people know what Chris West is really about. And I got these the other day, and I said, what does Chris do when he's not at West Roofing? So, we just had a holiday not too long ago. See which one I got, the wrong one. And
no telling.
I talked to his wife, and she said, hey, I got a picture for you. She sent it over to me. And I thought this was pretty cute. I mean, he gets into the holidays, and I just really thought, I like that. What do you call it? Mr. Kool-Aid Man? That's good. You're getting in the spirit.
Yeah, you got to, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to have a talk with my wife. Those are private.
Yeah, let's not go there.
Yeah.
This is a family show.
Yeah.
Now, there was another thing that really got me a tear jerk on this next one. When I dig through the archives, I just try to show people out there that, West Roofing is family, and, we do everything we can to be, the best. And I see you did this one, and it really got me down and deep.
Yeah?
We've talked about this guy numerous of times. We're going through a lot right now about this guy. And you didn't tell me, and this is what upset me. But, now I don't know, you didn't tell me you went to visit him. Are you getting advice how to be a good president for West Roofing Systems? Or you're consoling him on the loss of his election? I mean, look at you, look up at him, man. You were like,
I'm at a loss.
I can't believe you didn't tell me.
The Secret Service told me as I left that meeting that I'm not allowed to talk about the meeting. Behind closed doors, buddy. Sorry.
So did you get any pointers from
I can't say.
A very good president?
I can't say.
Or you're fired?
He didn't say that.
No?
No.
You didn't throw that one out there?
He's a big fan of West Roofing.
So I thought that was a good one. But,
yeah.
So we're getting close to the end of our show. Tell my viewers a little bit about yourself besides your Halloween get up and talking to the president. What do you do for Chris time?
Well, I've got 4 kids and spent a lot of time with them. We're 2 kids in college, 1 in high school, 1 in middle school. They play a lot of sports. We do a lot of hunting and shooting, and definitely.
Well, thank you. That concludes the rest of our show, and appreciate you coming in and wasting my time.
Yeah.
And thank you guys. Tune in next time.